Cars are more than just transportation in America. They're a lifestyle, a passion, and for many, a part of their identity. In 2025, the U.S. auto market has seen some surprising shifts, but the love for pickups and SUVs remains stronger than ever. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best-selling cars in America right now, with full details about each one. Stay tuned, because number 1 has been holding its crown for decades. At number 5, we have the Ram pickup, selling around 174,000 units so far this year. The Ram lineup, especially the Ram 1500, is known for combining raw power with comfort. Key features: multiple engine options, including a 3.6-liter V6, 5.7-liter Hemi V8, and even a mild hybrid e-torque system. Excellent towing capacity, up to 12,750 pounds in some trims. One of the smoothest rides among full-size pickups, thanks to its class-exclusive coil spring suspension. Interior is top-notch, with premium leather seats, a massive 12-inch touchscreen, and high-quality audio systems. Price range: about $39,000 to $75,000 depending on trim. Why popular? The Ram has built a reputation as a truck that can handle both work and luxury. Many American drivers love the fact that it doesn't feel like a work-only truck. It doubles as a comfortable family vehicle. Taking the 4th spot with over 212,000 sales is the Honda CR-V, America's favorite compact SUV. Key features: standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, plus a fuel-efficient hybrid option. Fuel economy is excellent, 34 to 40 miles per gallon depending on model. Spacious interior with fold-flat rear seats and plenty of cargo room. Safety is a big selling point. Honda's Sensing Suite includes lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation. Price range: about $29,000 to $40,000. Why popular? The CR-V has a reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs. It's a perfect choice for families, daily commuters, and even first-time buyers. In short, it's affordable, safe, and fuel-efficient. 3 things American buyers value highly. Up next at number 3 is the Toyota RAV4, with nearly 239,000 units sold. Key features: comes with multiple options: gas, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid, RAV4 Prime. Power ranges from a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter engine to the 302 horsepower RAV4 Prime. Fuel economy: up to 40 miles per gallon with the hybrid, and the Prime offers 42 miles of all-electric range. Toyota Safety Sense standard on all trims, includes pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. Cargo space is one of the largest in its class. Price range: $30,000 to $44,000. Why popular? The RAV4 balances efficiency, practicality, and long-term reliability. The hybrid models in particular appeal to Americans who want to save on gas without sacrificing performance. This SUV works for both city driving and weekend adventures. In second place, selling close to 284,000 units, is the Chevrolet Silverado. This truck is one of the most versatile vehicles in America. Key features: wide range of engines, from a fuel-efficient 2.7-liter turbo to a powerful 6.2-liter V8, and even a Duramax turbo diesel option. Towing capacity up to 13,300 pounds. Advanced trailer technology makes hauling easier and safer. Interior varies by trim, from rugged work truck to luxury high country edition with leather, heated seats, and massive touchscreens. Off-road ZR2 model is a beast for adventure lovers. Price range: $36,000 to $75,000 plus. Why popular? Silverado buyers value toughness and reliability. Whether it's farmers, construction workers, or families, the Silverado is trusted for its strength, customization options, and Chevy's long history in the truck market. And finally, number 1, the legendary Ford F-Series, America's best-selling vehicle for more than 40 years straight, with over 412,000 units sold in just the first half of 2025. Key features: the F-150 comes with multiple engine choices: V6, V8, hybrid, and even an all-electric option, the F-150 Lightning. Towing capacity is best in class, up to 14,000 pounds. Advanced tech: Pro Power. Onboard generator lets you power tools or even your home during outages. Luxurious trims like Platinum and Limited include massaging seats, panoramic sunroof, and high-end B&O sound system. Ford Copilot 360 safety feature standard. Price range: $37,000 to over $100,000 depending on trim. Why popular? The F-Series is more than just a truck. It's a symbol of American strength and innovation. It's trusted by workers, loved by families, and admired by truck fans everywhere. The combination of power, technology, and heritage makes it unbeatable. So there you have it, the top 5 best-selling cars in America in 2025. From family SUVs to powerhouse pickups, these vehicles show what Americans truly love on the road. Which one is your favorite? Would you pick a reliable SUV like the RAV4 or CRV, or a powerful truck like the F-Series or Silverado?